I think historically we had a very top-down view of sort of intelligence, if you like, when you regard it from a sort of from the perspective of how we make decisions, or how we know, how we sense, how we integrate, how we that leads to behavioral adaptations, right, or physiological adaptations. So we kind of thought, well, you know, there's this very clever brain that's getting information from our environment, and that leads to changes, physiological changes, and some of those will involve the intestine, right? So the brain will tell the intestine to do things. But the fact is, we've also known now for kind of centuries almost that when you look at the nerves that connect the brain with the gut, most of the information goes from the gut to the brain, right? So 70% of the fibers of the sort of connections between the two will go from the gut to the brain. So that almost tells you anatomically that there has to be very extensive crosstalk, and maybe there's more going from the gut to the brain than from the brain to the gut.